In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Gmail look like Outlook. If you prefer the cleaner, more structured layout that Outlook is known for, one of the easiest ways to match that experience in Gmail is by first paying attention to how Outlook displays messages. In this walkthrough, we're going to look at the Outlook inbox layout and adjust the reading pane view, since that's one of the main visual elements people associate with the Outlook style. To get started, open Outlook and go to your inbox. This is important because the layout controls we need are easiest to review when you're already inside your main mail view. Once you're in the inbox, take a quick look at how your messages are currently arranged. The goal here is to identify the reading experience you want to mimic in Gmail later, whether that means a message preview beside the list of emails or a different arrangement that feels more familiar to you. Next, click on View. This menu contains the display and layout options for your mailbox, and it's where Outlook lets you control how the inbox is presented on screen. If you've never used this menu before, don't worry, you don't need to change everything here. We're only focusing on the setting that affects the reading pane. After that, click on Reading Pane to open the drop-down menu. The reading pane is the section that lets you preview and read an email without fully opening it in a separate window. This is a major part of the Outlook look and feel, so choosing the right reading pane position can make a big difference in how similar Gmail feels when you try to recreate the same setup. Now, choose the option you want from the dropdown. Depending on what's available, you may see positions like right, bottom, or off. If you want a more classic Outlook style experience, the pane on the right is often the most recognizable choice because it allows your email list to stay visible while the selected message opens alongside it. A bottom reading pane can also work if you prefer a wider message area. Turning it off gives you a more minimal inbox, but that usually feels less like the traditional Outlook layout. Once you've selected your preferred reading pane view, take a moment to observe the layout carefully. This gives you a visual reference for how you want Gmail to feel. Matching the structure is often more important than matching every exact color or icon. That's it for this part of the setup. By reviewing and choosing the Outlook reading pane layout you like best, you've created a clear model to follow when customizing Gmail to look more like Outlook.